William Samoei RUTO ase omogorobo bono nigarure Enkwana kuru ase nyomba nene yobora Bw'Ense ase omochio o Nairobi. RUTO ase Enkwana nigakwanire ayabwatekaine na vision yo mwaka w'echilifu 2023 ase ayarere buna uchumi ensi yetu ya Kenya na bwegenengo nigo yatingire kibono kia irere abaigeki kocha ime yense na bwe koendera kuigeka chingaki boigo akwaneire ayarengete ensi ya Kenya gose ense ya ANKIO.
These institutions represent more than new opportunities. They embody a philosophy of nation building, that lasting prosperity is built through institutions that outlive governments, inspire long-term investment, safeguard intergenerational wealth, and provide confidence in our economy. The second reason why I believe this is our moment is because our current roadmap is approaching its destination. Vision 2030 has brought us this far, but it is approaching its horizon. It has served Kenya well. It transformed the way we think about national development, provided a common direction, inspired investment, guided policy in the public space, and demonstrated the power of long-term planning. But honesty also requires us to acknowledge that some of its ambitions remain unattained. In several respects, we are still falling short of even the very standards we set out for ourselves. Vision 2030 set a target of Kenya becoming an upper middle income country by 2030. So far, we are off target. This is not a criticism of Vision 2030, nor is it a reason for disappointment. Rather, it is an opportunity to proudly learn from our successes, reflect with honesty on where we have fallen short, and define together Kenya's next long-term vision. The third reason why this is our moment is that the next great wave of economic transformation will, I believe, be African. The world is entering what may become the greatest wave of global economic transformation in the past 6 decades. And for the first time in modern history, its center of gravity is steadily shifting